Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about terminating and non-terminating decimal representation of the rational numbers. In this we will have two types of rational numbers. Type 1 we are having like x is a rational number which is p upon q, where p and q are co-primes. And we find that q is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Then if p upon q is represented in decimal form, it will be terminating. What is the meaning of terminating? Terminating means it will end if we divide p by q after some decimal places, we will get the denominator as 0. Type 2 we may have when x is p upon q, but q is not equal to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. It means there are some other factors also we have than 2 and 5. Then the decimal representation of x is non-terminating and repeating. That is also known as recurring. In this also we can make it in two categories. It may be where p is less than q. If we write a when p is less than q, and b will take when p is greater than q. But even then, if we find q is not in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, having some other factors, then it will be non-terminating and repeating decimal number. Let's learn it by some examples now. Let's take the first one. Suppose we have 2 upon 25. Here p is 2 and q is 25. If we find the factors of q, we are finding 5 into 5. This is 5 square. You may ask, where is 2? Yes, we can write this as 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 2. And hence this can be seen that yes, it can be represented as 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Now we see that this is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Let us divide 2 by 25. When we divide 2 by 25, this goes not once, we take 0 point, it is 2 0. But even then it is not divisible, so we mark 1 0 here and again it is. And we find 25, 8 jar 200. So we are finding it is 0.08. It is terminating here after 2 places of decimal. So we are finding this is terminating decimal number. Let's take example number 2. Suppose we have 3 upon 150. Do we find they are co-primes? No, they are not co-primes because this is having HCF as 3. So first we should cancel them. 3 1 ja 3 and 50. It is 1 upon 50 now. So this we have to keep in mind that this should be in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are co-primes. Otherwise we should convert them into the co-prime form. Then only we can find the exact terminating or non-terminating form of the decimal. Let's see now. This 50, we are finding P is 1, Q is 50, and 50, the factors of 50 are 2 into 5 into 5. This is 2 power 1 and 5 is square. If we divide 1 by 50, not divisible, 0 point, we mark 1 0, even then it is not divisible, so we mark 1 0 and 100, and it comes 50 to 100. So it comes as 1 upon 50, we can write 0.02. It is also terminating because we are finding here the remainder is 0. Let's take some more examples. Let's take some examples of type 2 now. When x is p upon q, where q is not in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Suppose we take one example here, 1 upon 3. Here we are finding p is equal to 1 and q is 3. But this is not in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. And hence, it should be non-terminating. Let's learn it how it is. Suppose it is 1 upon 3, we divide 1 by 3. 0.3 3 ja 9, 1, 3 3 ja 9 again, 1, 3 3 ja 9, again 1, and so on. It will be continuing. We will never get remainder as 0. So we can write 1 upon 3 is 0.333 dot dot dot. This is we are finding is recurring and non-terminating. So we say it is non-terminating, a recurring or repeating decimal form. We can also write this as 0.3 bar. This bar shows that this 3 is being repeated infinite number of times. Let's take one more example of this. Like we have now, I told you the second one, when P is greater than Q. In this we had P is less than Q. Here we will have something like P is greater than Q. Suppose we have 7 upon 3. If we take 7 upon 3, here we are finding P is 7, Q is 3, and P is greater than Q. If we divide 7 by 3, 3 2 ja 6, 1, 0.0, 3 3 ja 9, 1, 3 3 ja 9, 1, 3 3 ja 9, again we are getting 1 and so on. So we are finding 7 upon 3 is 2.333 dot dot dot. We can also write this as 2.3 bar. So we have seen both the types of thing. When P is less than Q, then our decimal form will have the part which is fraction, not fraction part, that is 0. But in this case, when P is greater than Q, we will have some integer before the decimal starts. So we are having 2 as integer here, and again it is a recurring and non-terminating decimal number. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubt or comments, put them in the comment box and I'll get back to you.